In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix app not installed error on Android. Now, if you find this video useful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Thank you guys. Now, let's get started. Now, the first thing you need to do is to go to your phone settings. Then you need to go to apps. Then apps again. Then you need to search for Google Play. Then you tap on Google Play services. Then go to storage. Then once you are here, just tap on clear cache. Then you need to go back. Then go back again. Then tap on Google Play Store. Then again go to storage. Then you need to wait for it to finish. Then tap on clear cache. Then you need to go back. Then once you've done it here, then you need to go to Google Play Store. Then tap on your profile icon on the top right corner. Then Play Protect. Then you will see settings icon on the top right corner. Just tap on it. Then you need to close those buttons. So you just close this button. Then turn off. Then turn off. So once you've turned off those buttons, then you need to go back to phone settings. Just open phone settings again. Then on the search for install app. Then you will see install apps from external sources, or you can also search for install unknown apps. So you are going to choose where you want to install the app from. So if it is Chrome, you need to choose allow. If it is files, go to files, then open this button. Then you need to go back. So you need to choose where you are installing that app from. So once you've done that, you need to go and try to install that app. So I'm going to files. Now if I click on apps, then install packages. Then now if I try to install, you see now it is allowing. You see now you are going to be able to install the app. So that's it guys. That's how you can fix app not installed error on Android. Now if you found value from this video, please do not forget to subscribe and to like the video. Thank you guys, and I hope to see you in the next one.